Hi girls, it's Teacher Lina. How are you all doing? I see you sometimes in ballet class and I'm really happy to see all of you doing so well. You're all doing great, okay? Let's practice today your skips. So I noticed that some of you don't get your skips properly. So we're going to do passes first and then we will do skips, okay? So we will do both passes and skips. Do you remember your passes? So your passes is when your foot goes along your leg in a straight line. Okay, so this is for baby ballet students. Try to follow teacher, okay? And let's go. So your skips start with your passe. So let's put our feet together. Now foot along your leg. Point your toes. Don't forget to point your toes. And come down. One more time to the left. Keep your hands on your hips, girls, and your chin up. Passe to the left. Stay. And come down. Passe to the right. And come down. Last one to the left. And come down. Now let's do it faster and quick. 1. And come down. One more time. And 2. And come down. Now keep pointing your toes. 3. Don't forget to point your toes. And 4 and 8. Okay, very good, girls. Alright, when you passe, I want you to point your toes. So your foot passes along your leg. And you see teacher's toes? It's pointing. So I want you to point all the time. The same happens on the left side. Teacher will show you. Keep pointing your toes, okay? So no flexing your feet. So only your big toe touches your knee or the side of your knee and come down. Now when it comes to your skips have a jump. So you step your right foot. So don't do the right foot. Step and jump. And step and jump. Step and jump. Okay, let's do it one more time. From the back of your room, you step your right foot. Step and jump to your left. Step and jump. And step, jump to your right. Let's do it one last time. A bit quicker, girls. Hands on your hips. Keep your hands on your hips. Step and jump. Step and jump. Step and jump. And 8. Okay, girls. I hope you learned something new. Continue doing these exercises and continue practicing your passes and your skips. It's really important to get them and to keep pointing your toes. Don't forget to point your toes, okay? Because we will do this in class all the time. Next time also, don't forget your doll and your scarf. So we will do a scarf dance which teacher will post online. Okay, girls? Thank you. Bye-bye. Good work.